Hi everyone, welcome to Why Yoga at Home. This is Miguel to lead you to one Yoga Nidra practice. So the practice of today, it is a Yoga Nidra for energy and vitality. So if this is the first time that you do Yoga Nidra practice, what I would suggest is that you do it in a quiet space where you can completely detached from whatever stimulator it's around you. Another advice that I will give you is that if you tend to get cold, you should cover yourself, but leaving your hands without any covering. So the hands will remain facing up, no covering in your hands, you just cover your body with a blanket. Now, in case there is any neck issues and you don't feel comfortable or laying down flat on the floor, you can put a very thin blanket behind your head so you can elevate your chin slightly up. But it's just a tiny bit, not a pillow. Okay? And finally, I would suggest you to do this practice in a hard surface because of the association that we have with our beds. This might trigger our sleep, right? But we don't want to sleep. What we want is that we want to experience the full practice of Yoga Nidra with alertness. So, having said this, please lay down on your back and get comfortable. And as you get comfortable in the laying down position, observe that you consciously withdraw all effort from your body. One more time, take your time to assess your posture and make sure that you are comfortable and that the posture you have, ideally feet separated hip distance apart, palms facing up. It's a posture that you can hold without any movement for the rest of the practice. If you have a very light and comfortable eye pillow, you could cover your eyes, make any final adjustments. Begin to soften your breath so it finds the perfect rhythm. Allow your body to get completely at rest. There's no need for any kind of concern, of worry. The body is at rest, the mind is at rest, but consciousness remains alert. Bring your attention to the space of the head and feel the eyes relax in their sockets, the tongue relax, ears, back of your eyes, crown of the head, and the space in between your eyebrows to open. Feel your arms from the shoulder to the elbow. Feel from the elbow to the wrist to relax. Palms of the hands are in complete rest. Fingertips relax. Bring your attention back from the hands to the wrists as a wave of relaxation that moves from the wrists to the elbows and elbows to the shoulders. Feel your throat relax. Feel your chest light and clear. Barely any movement. It's just the breath. Feel your navel soft and the organs soften too. There is no resistance, just relaxation. Begin to relax from the hip, the joints of the hips, down to the knees, from the knees to the ankles. Relax completely. Feel the toes, second toe, third, fourth, and fifth toe relax. Feel the whole body completely relaxed. It's only the breath that moves through that space. Now slowly begin to observe the breath coming to an alternate nostril breath. It's just a mental practice. So you'll observe the breath ascend through the left, meeting the third eye. As you exhale, you see the breath descend from the third eye through the right nostril. You inhale, the right nostril ascends to meet the third eye. And you exhale, you see the breath descend out of the left. Please continue like this for about 3 minutes. Complete relaxation, just mental practice of alternate nostril breath. Relax. Just observing the breath as it rises and falls. Just the breath. And the more that you progress with this mental practice, the deeper that your breath can access into the brain, into the deepest corners of the mind. Slowly allow the practice to come to an end when you finish the next cycle. Allow yourself to adjust and feel the breath, the body as a space. You are pure cosmic space. Just space and consciousness. Now begin to see your body as an island in an endless sea of energy and love. You are immersed or surrounded by this field of energy and love. With every time you inhale, you feel this energy, this love, to move through your body, feeling every cell, every muscle, moving all the way inward to the spine. With every exhalation, we feel or see that energy to settle in the spine. Every inhale, you feel the space around you, this field of nurturance and healing moving through your body, all the way through your spine, feeling the spine. Eventually, you feel your spine completely full and recharged of this vital force. And you feel this sense of renewal, of vital force, filling the space of the body. Slowly begin to bring your attention back to the breath. Gradually deepening your inhale and your exhale. Feel this sense of renewal, of vital essence recharged and replenished. and slowly begin to move back into the world with gentle effort in your hands, your feet, until we can roll over one of our shoulders. You can stay and rest there as much as you like, and come back to the world when you are ready. The practice of Yoga Nidra is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and enjoy.